Well, hello everybody. Today I'll be showing you how to install Windows 9 VMware, and I've been getting a lot of notice on my Discord that my mic audio is bad. Well, yeah, I know. My headphones are kind of broken right now. Expect any quality in the next 12 videos. But let's get on with the video. First, we're going to be starting um loading up which I have successfully done. And now you see all these from my previous videos. But right now, I'm going to do virtual machine. We put typical. I don't mind this. Yeah, I have a DVD drive now. You don't need DOS. That's the thing. You don't need DOS. What you do need is the ISO image, which I forgot to acquire. And I'll see you back when I get it acquired. Okay, by the way, it's winworldpc.com. You can copy this. I'm not gonna put it in the description because I'm too lazy. Just look at this. And yeah, and then and you go to Windows 98, second edition. Don't do first edition, and then you do full. Do that, and then you press click to download, and then you put it on whatever you want to put it on, and it should go. I have a free download manager, but it should apply the same for just default. And you go to your desktop. Let me just, oh yeah, and you have your thing. Just wait for it to download. I honestly like the download manager because it shows you actually how much percentage you are instead of it just, yeah. Um, and then we make sure you subscribe and comment, and because I don't know, I'm a new YouTuber kind of thing, so support always helps. You extract those files with sensitive, which you can download on Google too, and like putting in the description, because you can typically find these things laying around in the internet. But you do that, and then Microsoft Windows right there, and then you have your things, and right now wherever you put it, which I put it in desktop, so you go to wherever you put it, which right there, I'm blind, and then you got Windows 98. Well, I'm gonna do second edition, and then you do that, and then you put it up. I recommend 24 gigs. By the way, if you have an Intel processor, I'm just gonna show you the basics of it. But Intel processors are very good with this. AMD processors, I don't know if there's a fix to it, but you probably have to use a PC emulator for it. But then, instead of hard disk, you go to CD-ROM. Then start setup with CD-ROM. And it'll bring you to this screen. I'm gonna put it on the screen so you guys don't get the torture of seeing, I don't know. And then you press enter again. Yes. And then make sure the boot disk is in, aka our ISO image. Then you do the same thing. And then it says setup is going to do this and that, and then press enter. And then it will keep going, and then it will probably make a beep, and then you hear. Press enter, press enter unless you want to test them, which I'm not going to be doing here. And then do the same thing as last video, set up, select the components and crap. And yeah, and then do that, which I did, but, and then, I'm going to just do recommended. And then put your computer name. I'm just going to do this 98 tutor. Computer description, you can put one. And then United States, press enter. Oh, well, I'm in the United States, but if you're like in whatever this, Arabs, I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm sorry if that's offensive. Because I've never heard of it, so I don't know how to pronounce it. As you can see, it's just going to keep copying the file process. And then, I can't show you the product key. I don't have a product key for it. Because product keys for Windows 98 is a pain in the butt. You probably have to find one that someone accidentally linked on eBay and crap. But, yeah. As you can see, this is going as quicker as I thought. And it's just going to keep going. Yeah. Then restart. And then as you can see, forgot about that, you don't, sorry about that, but don't set it as 2 gigabytes, put it at 512, actually no, put it at 1 gigabyte of memory, because I forgot to tell you that I'm used to putting 2 gigabytes and everything. And press enter, and then put whatever you need, company doesn't matter. I accept this agreement, and then put your product key here, which I'm not going to do, and then do what other things we're going to do, because I can't do this because I don't have a product key, and I don't feel like searching throughout the whole entire website. Oh, wait a minute. Sorry about that. And then put the serial key in, which I'll provide here. Sorry about that, guys. QWRR9TG7CH33GX. Cares about this? And then press enter and then keep doing this. But then it's gonna have problems with AMD processors because I don't know. Search up a video or something on how to present this. I have no knowledge on